We have another donation from Coco K. I saw him say it right? Alright then. So it's Coco K from Bristol, UK. $30,000 from Coco K. Yeah, so that's Coco K.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Yeah, I least that one.
At least, I want your son go there, grass over.
Some of them they along the path, along the fence. We go pick up that. Yeah.
I can go up there for the sprinkler there. Can bring that one up for the sprinkler there. I know July the tournament, you know.
Yes man, that's my month.
Yeah, July the community tournament, you know. So it will run for 1 month. 1 month it will run for. So the field definitely ready by then.
You want to I think about you want to put more in the one this nice. You want front of going for the ground floor. You see it?
Okay.
Yeah, because I find it a while ago. See it? Shoot up.
I pull it from back here.
You want to right here.
Go on up.
Come.
Let's pull it from
You can't put too much in the back. You have to pull the bar.
Yes, pull it man.
Bar is not good. Go on.
The wheel bend, that's why.
Jordan. Yes, okay.
Do that.
No, yes, sir.
See someone else, look up right over there. Yeah.
Bar is not good, man. And they show man. You say I'm loaded from there and go.
Eventually come out. See them, they don't have to. Oh yeah, how much?
1 team, dada.
Team.
No more sugar.
I had a best. What's some of yourself? You're trying to get thin.
Boy, let me cut that and cut that. No, I'm not going to come on.
You're so good now, you know, Joe. Yeah, man, you're so good.
So good?
Yeah. Let me say by July,
Yeah, man.
tournament ready
Yeah, man.
for the community.
Brami, we have come here, so here, so them only for stone here, them want, I don't want to see no stone.
One last time.
Yeah.
Come up here with it, bro, man. See, never do it.
See, me have a portable one there. See that? I'm going to turn on that now.
Yeah.
So you see over there, so I'm going to put one of the sprinkler over there, so. Yeah, so. One need to go over.
Yeah. Come up here, son.
Turn over. Trouble, man. You want more of this, sir? Yeah. You want one more here, sir? Yeah. Boy stone. Next year, no boy stone. Get a son in it. No boy stone. They better dig. We gotta dig up that.
Yeah.
We gotta dig up that.
Yeah, a pickaxe. If you have a pickaxe, just get it, we just dig it out from now. Jeez. Really, I got pretty, you know. Pretty.
Yeah, that's it, sir. Right there, yeah. Yes, sir.
So plow me here. Plow me here.
One team!
Great team.
Swear to God!
I swear to God, nothing, no lie. You know the fruit up there?
No, me got sell already, you know, jackfruit and plum. Me did that sell.
Oh,
I'm a half sale.
I'm a dig on already.
Me come out clean.
Clean and pretty.
Yeah.
See, plow me here. Plow me here.
Say blow me here.
Oh, plum done.
A cool plum time, on them out and about.
Oh, you say you keep something while go on?
No, they put off to the
Okay, the curfew.
now go behind the order.
Yeah.
I have to deal with it straight.
So people wanna stay tuned for
Next
Plummet
time again
dance.
when the round robin a come,
Yeah.
Plummet and I don't know support the team.
Oh.
Shit.
Shit.
What go on? One of them no say there. Shit. Hey, bro! How you doing? The rain. It's rain. It's raining, cats and dogs. It's rain. 25 degrees Celsius. Just a little bit. Just a little bit of rain. I have to fix up this part of the pitch. Up here comes down the scope and ball. I'm very something around.
Yeah.
See this? Bermuda grass. So that guaranteed to grow. So that means that when a man tells us a guaranteed to grow, it must grow.
Must grow.
And so we help it grow, yeah.
Okay.
Land fertilizer. So I'm not a joke.
Yeah.
See me I say?
And we have
So
this
we again.
sprinkler.
Yeah. So them fat. Yeah. They call them 5,000. Yeah.
And the 5,000.
Yeah man, cover 22 to 30 feet.
Yeah.
So you know how put in them, interlock them and interlock.
Yeah. Everywhere.
Everywhere I get grass, I get water. You know what I mean? It's not a joke. Dream team! One team! Man, I'm so healthy, man. Dream team! One team!
Yeah. Like when I say Boys Town.
Yeah, I tell you, man. Boys Town, we win! Magic in the man. Boys Town, we win! Boys Town, we win! Dream team! One team! 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 Jesus Christ! Steve rocking up, Steve, watch it. And I really like this, I'm seeing you to another kid. Yeah, real time like this.
Real like this.
Magic. I couldn't believe when I see the man slide and go with you, man, you know. The man slide from moving the soul to go. You know like in a river. You know like in a local stream I go down.
Yeah.
I saw the man when you can understand, so I say alright.
Yeah, fix up the field where we are going to win, pan, you know? Fix up the field where we are going to win, pan. It's one more.
Come more now.
To us something.
Yeah, come more.
A strong man, you know.
You fill up your man. You fill up your man. You just going to top up and top man.
No, my friend. I'll get what you want.
Then I sprinkle your thing out.
Yeah.
Yeah, people go and sprinkle your man.
Yeah. And then flowers.
I call them part.
Mm-hmm.
Up there, sir. I treat it like you have a cut.
That cut man. That chop off.
That's sunlight. Sunlight.
Yeah.
Ah, the bird on there. Where, man? Damn.
And then the rest of us fill in the spot.
Damn. Damn. Hey, one call her easy, you know. One call tree name look a while.
Empty.
Tree name. Yeah, never come on and look for me. I'm with you.
Yeah, man, that really good.
No, I was a good man.
Yeah, man,
No for what I say, don't step on it now. I dry, it needs to dry.
One leaf, yeah.
Go with that, you know.
Yeah, go on without. Oh, that's not Marvin now, that's dry for dry.
Yeah, this rest of this.
Natesha, how you like the dream team kids?
Yeah, man. Them a bill.
Oh, Bill.
Yeah.
The future them, you know?
Future.
The next future. A young Kino.
Soldier and the lad.
The soldier and the lad. One time mama gave some freedom. Now school work first. No.
School work done.
And school work done.
And pep done that one thing. Get that.
Yeah. So we can, yeah, man, keep them in suspense, you know?
To the right time.
Yeah, but I like the colour way inside still. Nah, I lie. And the colour that I pre for my room too. Just keep it. I'm not learning Natesha, boy. You have glow. I wish lottery win, I never know.
No, we not yet.
Yeah,
The blessing come with, alongside with God.
yeah.
So it go.
Yeah, man, it's a big blessing.
So the blessing comes from me.
10 years. 10 years, you know. Never know, so yo, the blessings would happen. It probably could happen in a year, in a 2, could happen in a 4th year, 5th year. But you never know.
Not before the time still.
Not done before the time. And at 10 years later, from where you start, now the blessings come. So that's why it's a prime example for people to know so you have faith in life and for me have hope, because no matter the situation we are go through, once you never give up, and maybe that's why your blessing coming up, because them always say Father God help those who try to help themselves. You never give up. Yeah, you try to see and you've been trying. We all could have seen it, the struggle, the depth on you see me, the shoulders them in your face. So Father God says you nah give more than what you can bear. So at the time you know you could have bear it. Then realize you know what, it's fair time, because yeah, she never lose her sanity on the journey. You know, 'cause everybody go through them tests in life, you know. Every single body go through them tests in life. And some people are going through struggle from time and I wonder, but everybody deserves a second chance. Your chance will come from you not lose faith. You know, not giving up. And that me and tell us, you inspire even me if you know, say, yo, no matter what I go through in life, never give up, because I was just like that as well too. Never give up, no matter what go on in my life. So that was a prime example. And we give thanks to that. So blessings to all donors. I want to make this thing possible, and the Almighty, you know, reach out to the donors. So we have to give thanks to them. So Natesha, I have donation for you as well towards your ending of your house, your nice mansion, you know. Why? It's a good look. So I have $13,000 from unknown from the US. So this is unknown from the US, 13,000.
Let's up yourself in the unknown from the US. My Father God always guide and protect you and bless you. May your basket never run dry.
Yeah. So blessings unknown from the US. May God bless you and keep you. And we also have Michael from the US as well too. $8,000 from Michael.
Blessings in Michael from the US. May your basket never be empty. So you can help the more needy. I told him one love.
Yeah, one love, so give thanks. Yeah, so we have another donation from Coco K. That's what I'm saying, right? Alright then. So it's Coco K from Bristol, UK. $30,000 from Coco K. So that's Coco K from Bristol, UK.
Bless up in a Coco K from Bristol, UK. May your basket never run dry. May Father God always guide and protect your family. One love and more blessings.
Yeah, so blessings and give thanks to our donors. Blessings, Coco K from Bristol, UK. You know, that is my place as well, where I used to come from. So I know that donor girl is you know, she would have been touched and see the struggle we've been going through. As a female to another female, will fight the struggle. No matter what in life, never giving up. Yeah, so big up yourself, all donors who reach out. Yeah, okay, big up yourself, unknown, big up yourself, see you here. And also Michael, big up yourself. So Natesha.
Big up all the donors that may reach out to me and all the rest of needy people then. May your Father God always guide and protect me. May your basket never run dry. One love. Big up on yourself.
Every time.
You know, in the pandemic right now, most of them might not have a job, but you know, still I try to reach out to help you save me. Thanks. Thanks a lot for all around you. Big up the church.
Yeah, Roosevelt Freeport Church of Christ.
Big up Dream Team. Big up IT. Big up the Browning.
Yeah.
Big up Ricardo.
Yeah.
Pablo. Just
Pablo.
want to stay so. Yeah.
There's so much name
So
to
much of them
call.
can't remember them. But when you know yourself, you're doing a great job. You continue.
Yeah.
When the blessing they round up on the car and wait for one. That's why I hold it like how me hold it. Dream Team big up on yourself, as I say. No one hold it. Phone hold the phone too. Like when I make my wanna come through.
Yeah.
Save yourself. And big up yourself, Father God. Without you, nothing at all could come true.
Yeah, true.
Save me yourself. Big up yourself, I got it. Big up yourself again, the Almighty.
Make all this possible, you know.
All the things possible right now.
Yeah, we give thanks, you know. You can see the kind of emotional thing in your voice. You can see it in the eyes, you know. So many blessings, you know. Unexpected blessings because you never really expect it, and I must say kind of grateful. We're grateful, and you know, you don't have to say 100 words. We all understand how we feel the words, and we all see it and feel it deeply for you. Yeah, definitely. And we are there right through the journey. You know, we're not leave your side.
It does stop yourself.
It must stop.
Hold it more journey the difficult thing.
Yeah.
By the upgrades of the Almighty.
So we can get better. And there's a door on our contact me as well too, and then contact the store where we get a bunk bed for the kids, for the two boys them. So you know, so it's more better, we can have more space. You know, so we have that sort out, and someone else already linked me where I can get a bed for you as well too. So everything I come to how it meant to, how Father God set it out, and how it plan out, and how everything and
Yeah,
work
plan
out.
everything.
So big up all the donors
Everything
them.
did out there.
Yeah.
So just you just go and hold on. And everything have to come true. From Father God say it have to come true.
Alright.
So one year when nobody can get it. Save me, so.
Once him say yes,
When a year time, a year time.
Nobody
Him
else
say
can.
move, you have to move.
yeah, nobody else can say no. But I'm really happy for you, you know. I'm glad to say all of this have come to an end very soon, you know, and it's all been waiting. People been waiting patiently. Some eager, can't wait to see the opening, you know, to see the new
Just go and hold
beginning.
on, man. We have a few more weeks or so. Just go and wait.
Yeah, man, let's go and
Won't be
hold
another
on.
night, so just go and wait.
Yeah,
Wait for a surprise.
of course, the big surprise. Now she's continue to go and pray and go and hold the faith, save me as usual. I
yes,
never
of
give up. Yeah. Young Kino, keep it in the book, save me, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yes, never leave your man aside. Natesha, until
man.
then,
Big
yeah?
up Kino.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.